let me show you the #1 design feature of a significant part of World War I aircraft, and that is the rotary engine. There are several different types or configurations of aircraft engines, and when you see an early World War I aircraft and the whole engine spins, that means it's a rotary engine. This is done for cooling. If you spin the motor, you don't have to pressurize it for fuel or for oil. The spinning actually will take the lubrication where it needs to be. This works right up until it doesn't. They realize that this is an engineering dead end. You can only make these engines so big before the spinning mass of the engine makes it impossible to make a turn. You basically have installed a gyroscope on the front of the aircraft. So from 1914 to 1918, this worked. This made sense. But by 1918, we had airships passing over England at 15 to 18,000 feet. Aircraft needed to get that high in order to fight them. You can't do it with a little tiny engine like this. So a man named Sampson came up with the idea, what if I freeze the motor and just spin the prop? So in 1918, he came up with that kind of motor, and this type of motor died out. Everybody realized this is an engineering dead end. You can't make them 2 rows. You can't make them any bigger. Flying to 20,000 feet is not going to happen with this kind of engine. Once you do it with the Sampson system, where the engine doesn't spin, it's just the propeller, you could make them double row, you could make them as big as you want, and quite literally, it meant the sky's the limit. We could now go as high as the airplane engine could actually run, and man became the limiting factor after that. So if you see the engine spin, you're looking at an aircraft from before 1918. Nobody made these after 1918.